Hello everybody and welcome back to a new mod spotlight on a mod that I have coded myself called Miscellaneous Houses. And let's just keep it day. This mod basically can generate houses like out of basically thin air. So yeah, let's get started. So the first component, basics. There is 3 houses currently in the mod. This is still version 2.0. Keep that in mind. And oh, that's not supposed to be copper. That's supposed to say house tool. I'll fix that in the next build. And a PCB board. And so each are all required to make a make houses. Make these 3 houses. So first of all, the first thing you're gonna need is and it's in the creative team too. So let's go into mod. How do I do this? Oh yeah, okay. At mod.Msc Houses. Is that good? And I will be right back once I figure out how to do this. Anyways, it's not relevant so we can just clear that. So the first items you're gonna need, the very first thing you're gonna start out with this hut building block, which is crafted really easily. And so let's go craft that now. We're gonna need some oak wood, and it's actually not being creative. It's really oak wood, and some iron. I do apologize for the keyboard clicks or the mouse clicks, and it's because I am using a new microphone, and it's new. So to craft the basic hut thing, ooh, I'm lagging a bit. You're gonna need like a chest, but plop an iron down in the middle to get the hut building block, hut building house block. Ooh, that's a typo. Made by Mr. Kirby153. So to build this house, you just have to right click it, and apparently it builds right on top of me. Ooh, music. So see here, basic hut, it has a bed and doors. Maybe I think I should turn the sound down. It's also a little loud. Let's try that. And the music goes way down. Just a little background. And just a simple house. Enough to survive like the first night or so. It does come with a piece of glowstone. Oops. You could get a little bit off of that. But yeah, that's the basic hut. And why am I lagging? I will be right back if and when I fix my processor stuff. Okay, and I'm back. Oh, it's just because I'm recording I get some lag. Anyways, there's that house. But do keep in mind, if I get another house building block, hut building house block, it will overwrite your existing creations. So like if I have some wood like here and here and here and make the house, the stuff just vanishes. It will overwrite stuff, so be careful. Oh god, I really am lagging. So next on the list is, I think it's the 9x9 house building block. It's just made with a stone, a hut building house block, and a PCB board, which is made like so. I also believe it could be made with iron, but oh man, I really am lagging. Why is this? Let's see. I'm sorry about this. It's just turn that off. Change that. Try that. Let's try that. Alright, it's better. So next part is the after the house. The 9 by 9 house building block. It was originally made by Darwolf20. He's a cool YouTuber who always builds that. And so let's go. Just plop it down like there, and they build that way. And try to click on it, and it won't do anything because we need a. Oh, here's some copper stuff. That's misnamed. You need it's supposed to be a stick. You're gonna need a PCB board, a stick, 2 sticks to get your house tool. You right click on it with the house tool, and it builds you a house. And it does use 1 durability. And just, stuff that I need to take out because you can remove stuff like that. But so the cool part is that you can also, if you have nothing in these chests, so you have nothing in the chest, and you go and say I'm gonna go get a pick and destroy it. Oh, let's go get some TNT. That'll be fun. TNT. And get a flint. I'm gonna be in creative mode so it doesn't blow up on me. And set this TNT off. Alright, see, there's a big old mess. We just place the 9 by 9 hut building block and into, and once again right click with it, and it's completely repaired. That's a pretty neat feature. It's just how I coded it to do that. So next, after that, we're on to the last house, which is the Deluxe 9 by 9. And the Deluxe 9 by 9, let's see, I'm gonna need 2 of them. It's been adapted from that house right there. It's adapted, so if I place it down, once again, it won't do that, so let me just get a pick and break that. Give me a pick and click. It builds a new house, and if I go up and fly around it, you can see it's a little bit nicer. But the real treasure's inside. Inside here, you get a free anvil, so I can go and name this thing. You get a free anvil, and you get iron tools and a stack of coal. I think that's pretty good in my thing. And once again, you can repair it, but if there is items on the chest, they will fall out and drop on the ground, as you can see right here. So, and the easiest thing one of the coolest things, is that let's say you have a 9 by 9 here, and you want to upgrade it. Put that one right in this corner, and bam, it's upgraded. Except you will lose everything inside of it, though. I'll probably code and fix that. Make a code to fix that. And the last and very final thing is the copper. The copper ore, and that needs to have space in it, and the copper ingots. Well, these 3... Oh yeah, there's one ore item, but it has an ability to enable and disable it, so I will be right back in a different world to show you that item that we want, and the copper, because it's in the world. So if you installing this mod and you already generated your world, you're gonna have to make new chunks, and you're gonna have to go to new areas. And I'll be right back. And I am back. And as you can see, now, if I go into the tab, there should have been a new item. No, that's a bug. There should have been a invincible item, but apparently I didn't do something right, and it didn't show up. So we'll continue with the spotlight. that basically makes you invincible, as in you cannot be killed, or well, for like a minute, but it has a 5-minute recharge. And so now we're gonna look for the copper ore. So I go look for the copper. I think you can find it down. You can only find it like below level 20. And I think you can only find it below level 20. Here's some coal. And ooh, here's a cave. Good. Well, anyways, it can be substituted for the forestry copper or coppers from other mods. So let's get some torches, and I will be back if and when I find some. And I'll see you in a... Wait, no, I just found some right here. And I still will be right back. And I'm back. As you can see, I have come up with a bout of hiccups. And yeah, see, that's a lot of copper. So, oops. So let's go demonstrate. So let's go get a little ledge here for me to demonstrate. So let's get a furnace. Plop that in the wall. Get some coal. Get some coal and plop that in the furnace and get myself a pick. I haven't tested this, but I really want to see. Oops. What can mine this? Can pick wooden can mine that too, so you can mine it with wooden, but I'm gonna fix that. So let's go get a copper ingot. I mean copper. I forgot to add a recipe. You just plop it in here. And as you can see, and any second now, you get a copper ingot. That's supposed to be shiny. Yeah, this is, and there is a hole. Once you find a copper, you will find a lot of it. I will make sure to nerf that in the next build of the version 2.0. And the cool thing is that I can demonstrate is the I can't really demonstrate right now is the automatic version update system. So let's go TP Mr. this x plus 0, y plus 100, z plus 0. Alright, let's just escape that cave and... Alright. Then the copper ingot, that should be shiny. But, once again, this is a new version of Forge, and there still are some bugs. So I will work those out in, hopefully, a day or so. So, so keep checking back on the forum thread. And yeah, so let's go demonstrate a practical usage. So let's let's make it midnight, and let's get our, sorry about that, our hut building block, and let's be on sorry about that again, normal game mode C. Oops. And let's go into survival. So we just put that down, plop that down, grab this out, and bam. Here, this. and place down their bed and sleep through the night. It's that easy. And with that, I think we will end off this spotlight here. So I do hope you download this. I worked very hard on this mod. Oh wait, no, it is shining. Cool. I worked very hard on this mod, and as you can see, I do hope you enjoy this mod, and I will be adding more stuff in the future, maybe like a coffee maker, spoiler alert, and some other stuff. So in the meantime, just download the mod and you will be notified of new updates. Bye bye.